Ever wondered how rosemary oil is made and its top health benefits? Let's dive in. First, rosemary leaves are harvested and dried. The dried leaves are then steam distilled to extract the essential oil. This oil is pure and potent, capturing the essence of the plant. Now, on to the benefits. 1. Rosemary oil is known for boosting memory and concentration. Studies show it enhances cognitive performance. 2. It also promotes hair growth. Massaging your scalp with rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation and revitalizes hair follicles. 3. This essential oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in relieving muscle and joint pain. 4. Rosemary oil boosts the immune system with its high antioxidant content, protecting the body from free radicals. 5. Lastly, it's a natural stress reliever. Inhaling its soothing aroma can reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. So rosemary oil isn't just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for health. Curious to try it out?